Hi there, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Daily reports are essential project records, and if they're not well documented, this can lead to disputes and over or underpayment of contractors. Dashpivot is a no-code information management system that digitizes your processes and replaces paper forms and spreadsheets. So in this video, I'm going to show you how our platform can improve your daily reports. In Dashpivot, you can create a daily report template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which has many ready-to-use templates already available. As we're looking at the daily report template today, I'm just going to run the search at the top. And from here, you'll see what we currently have and preview the format before adding this to your workspace. Once the template has been created or added to your workspace, you can start filling out this digital form in your team folder. Go into the daily report and start filling out your digital form from here. Our standard daily report template will contain fields such as the date, multiple choice boxes for location and weather, a section for photos, questions regarding delay, more text boxes for more information, and various tables to capture more detail and more numerical data such as the production and labors. At the end of this template, there is also a section for summary tables where more advanced formulas are utilized. These formula fields here will take numbers entered from the tables above and accumulate this down the bottom for your summary and auto-calculate this for your breakdown. Once the reports are done and saved, they'll appear in a timeline like this where it is sorted by date field that is in your form. Within the template editor, for each field settings, this is where you can choose to make your field required or exclude from form cloning. This is to ensure that important information is captured as well as that unique information isn't duplicated when cloning forms. The template editor here is also where formulas can be implemented to automate calculations, display values, and more. You can also reference multiple tables to create a summary table like the one we have in the template here. Information captured in your daily reports can also be analyzed further using analytics available at both the home folder level and each team folder. The list module here can also be used as a database with various properties. For example, let's use this employees list here. You can collect information using text properties, date properties, and also expiry dates where you can choose to be notified when a set date is approaching. These lists can also be linked to your template form so you can reference different items from various lists as we've seen in the report earlier, where drop-down lists are linked to these here. Photos are essential for field reports to support the findings noted. These can be found in the Photos tab within your team folders. Photo tags can also be created and applied for easy filtering to find specific images. GPS locations can also be captured when photos are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app. Should you need to find and export daily reports, this can be done in the register view at the top. You can use the filters on some of these columns to find specific information and forms, and then select your forms to export as CSV or as PDF files. Daily reports can also be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app, making this process even more accessible for workers. Dashpivot can also be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as Excel, Power BI, Xero, etc. using our integration product called Flowsite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer data from Dashpivot to your preferred data analytics or any tools to streamline the process even more. For example, some of our current customers are using the integration to push their daily reports data to their chosen analytic tools, eliminating that manual data transfer step. You can try Dashpivot for free today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. That's it from me for this video. Thank you for watching.